Menteri Rangba kami khalaya Conrad ke sangma haga khanditri uniu banai dalai paju ye kre pynchna penhe wechna penmiat ya ka JN Sports Complex ka multi-purpose indoor stadium wa ka first ground hapolo ka sarkar da dep ko wo bu baha ka poisa kam wali phosu pensan klur yo pynchna ya ka JN Sports Stadium Complex ka wom di pynchna penhe na do wechna ya ka hakisnem khat khandi phraphau yakani ki indoor stadium bon upenchna heilut kam wachis pa klor ikre yang kamadan fast ground polo to ka wada lai chakman hei wada dep wo siang yo astro turf wa thymme wada yuluti wa how news nem open dem no ye kre yo pen em kam no yakani kamadan wedaw em le ki thau chong thymme ye ki pajba wedaw pai le ye ki wi ki madan wa em hapo ki dong ki chnong wa ka it ki khon khanro wo le ki bol Wedai waya kre lang wa ki wa palai chnong daw chna pen miet le ye kini ki madan wa he Shillong da dep jit santali ki madan yobo astrotof da pentip u Conrad da pentip ule wa ka JN Stadium 1 da penchna thymme Katkam ki kyrdan ka FIFA kam jo i waman ya rangkat wa ki wigiri wei he ni daw thung da oplang yong sakhet we daw pen he yo chniam le phaw hajar hut kibru we daw em gale ye waro ki jaj wa em kam ki wa le ki daw em le ki thao wo le high jump long jump ki thao phet pla wa ki vide Katkam ki kyrdan wa khli do yo yi open man ye ki lempung ye le ki wa wan chimbenta de ki wana barri heya to wan wa ka multi purpose indoor stadium ko wa em hamadan polo hi u Conrad da pentip u wa ni daw man ko wa he do hapo ka north east ko wa ye open man ye ki wa bon ki ja ye le ki na do ka squash badminton basketball volleyball table tennis Wedaw em gale ya ka shooting range chiphaw meter wa 4,000 meter iwadaw penchlur baha ya ki khanro khlot ka jala kamte da ongu wa dei lang kini ki letli ki thaw daw penman ya ka jala kam ka thaw yele ki wadaw yi updiang ya ki wana barri
the work that's going on in the polo in the first ground as you can see that we have put the astroturf already and final laying of other materials will be done, the granules and other rubber pieces that are put in. We expect that this entire work should be completed by July, and you can see that there will be also a new stand at the back that will be coming up. So we will see the expansion of the stadium. So this is a upgradation that's taking place. As we know that football is one of the sports that our youth are very much connected with, and hence in the long term we will also see more stands coming up on the other side, on the river side also of this field. But apart from that, the government has also decided that we are going to now start looking at different locality fields, different fields in different places, in different towns, different cities, where our youth normally play football. And in collaboration with the community and the local leaders, we would want to upgrade these different facilities where our youth are playing. So we will see a large number. We are already serving in Shillong city itself. We have identified about close to 5 locations where we could potentially lay this kind of astroturf. So that process also will start very soon, and I expect that we should be having a large number of astroturf football grounds where our youth can then practice, can have matches, and that will be one of the steps towards ensuring that we are able to bring out the talent also and give the opportunity for them to play. So this is part of a larger plan, but this stadium is something that we expect, as I said, by the month of July to be 2023 to be completed, and we hope that we'll be able to start playing matches in the month of August, September. Now come to see the renovation work going on at the JN Stadium, and from the looks of it, the work is going on at very good speed, and as you can see, the football ground will now be a natural turf. All of the seeds have been sown, and we expect the field now to the football field to come up with the natural turf. At the same time, as you can see, we also have new stands that are coming up, which will then enhance the overall seating capacity of the stadium. So we expect maybe close to about 30,000 capacity to be there in this field. And the entire arrangements and the way the work is going on, we are going to meet the FIFA standards. and hence this particular stadium and field, the football field especially, will be at par to host any international games in the future. Apart from that, the stadium also will have full facilities for athletics, and hence we'll have the track and field, as well as long jump and high jump and other disciplines also, and hence even the quality that's being maintained here for the track and field also are top of the line. So we expect that this particular stadium should be completed within this calendar year. We're expecting that by November end and December first week that we should be able to complete and inaugurate this particular stadium completely renovated. So we are very excited, and once this is complete, as I mentioned, we expect that we should be able to host a large number of events and even international events in the future. So now we are at the third location, which is the indoor stadium that is coming up, a multi-purpose indoor stadium, which when completed will be the largest multi-purpose indoor stadium in the entire Northeast region. And this particular indoor stadium will have all facilities from basketball, indoor basketball, squash, badminton, multi-purpose halls for table tennis, volleyball. So all different kind of activities will be possible here, and most of the disciplines, when we combine all the three stadiums, we'll be able to see that we'll be able to cover most of the major disciplines that are there. And even with this very, very standard and state-of-the-art indoor stadium, we'll be able to in the future host national level tournaments as well as international level tournaments also. So the work is going on at full speed. Of course, the foundations are just being laid, as you can see, but this work will take a bit more time. So we do expect that this also will be completed soon, but I'm happy to see the progress of the work. And once these kind of infrastructures throughout the state come up, this will be a great blessing and an opportunity for the youth of our state who are very, very much into sports. And I'm hopeful that facilities like this will give them opportunities to really pursue and really be able to come up in the different areas of disciplines that they have so much passion for. So we are happy with the work, and we would like to congratulate the team who's working on this, and at the same time would like to urge them that we should ensure that all the projects